we will be highlighting a very important issue that affects us all, the importance of parents in children's life.
As we watch this powerful drama unfold, let us remind ourselves of sacred trust that our children have placed in us.
Let us reaffirm our commitment to upholding their rights, to listening to their voices and nurturing their dreams.
Sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired by the talent, creativity, and passion of our students.
So, let's call upon the stage for this eye-opening skit by our talented students on the theme Parents' Time, Children's Right.
Hello everyone. Our first story revolves around Ria, a small girl who feels neglected by her parents who are addicted to social media. As a result, Ria starts to lag behind in her studies and struggles to cope with the situation. So let's join Ria with her journey.
Hi Priya, how are you? What's going on? Yeah, I'm cooking now. And what about our kitty party? Oh, how to solve this math? I forgot the steps given by teacher. Okay, I'll ask to mom. Mom, I have a question about my maths homework. Oh beta, just a minute. Hey, I saw the Instagram reel of your husband. It was so funny. Just a minute beta. Priya, I'm telling you, my husband's dancing skills are worse than your husband. Mom. Oh beta, I'm busy right now. Yeah, I know right. That reel was so funny. Ria, why don't you ask your papa? Okay then, I'll call you later. Oh, I can't solve this myself. What to do? I'll ask Papa then. Papa, I have a question about my maths homework.
Oh beta, just a minute. Almost done with this report.
Papa.
Just a minute beta. Why don't you ask your mom? She's free now.
But mom is busy on the phone. Mom, please help me with my maths homework. Oh beta, I'm busy right now. Yeah, I know right. That reel was so funny. Ria, why don't you ask your papa? Okay then, I'll call you later. But papa said to ask you. Oh, okay. Yes, beta. Papa's phone has internet. You can search for the answers yourself. Oh, really? Thanks, Mom. Wow, this is so cool. But what is this? This is a new video game. Wow, this is so awesome. I'm so bored to study. I'm going to play a game from today. It's so funny. Oh, and what is this? Instagram Reels? Okay, I will also make my Reels then.
And that's how Ria, a small girl, becomes addicted to mobile. Just like her parents, she spends more time on phone, neglecting her studies and health. Ria's story highlights the importance between the balance of technology and family time. So now let's move on to our second story, Nidhi, the child of busy parents.
Mom, Dad, I am home. No one's at home. Let's see what's to eat. Nothing is there to eat. Oof, packet food again. I wish Mom or Dad were here to help me with my homework and to make me something nice to eat. God, why it is always happens with me? My mom and dad are not always at home. Look at my friend Tina's mom. Every day makes healthy food for her. And look at me.
Oh, today also she slept before I came. Nidhi, beta wake up. Let's have dinner, beta. Wake up, have dinner.
Papa, where is mom?
She is running a bit late, beta. But don't worry, she will be home soon.
Hi Ravi. Sorry, I am late. Traffic was too terrible.
Are you okay, Prachi? You look exhausted.
I am fine, just tired. I'll try to manage my time better tomorrow.
Don't worry, Prachi. I am here to help. What did you bring for dinner?
I brought pizza. Nidhi's favorite. Mama, my friend Tina's mom makes her parathas, porridge, pulao, sabji, roti every day. Mama, can you please make me those things too? Our teacher says we should eat healthy food. Beta, it's very late and I'm too tired to cook. I'll try to make something healthy for you tomorrow, okay?
Beta, just eat this for now. You know your mom is working hard and came home late.
Okay, Mom. Okay, Dad.
Now, you all must have seen how both Riya and Nidhi's parents have not given time to Riya and Nidhi. So let's see what happened in the school.
Yes, Miss.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, Miss Roshni. Please come in.
Sir, I wanted to discuss two of my students with you. Do you know Riya and Nidhi?
Oh, yes. Riya is a topper and Nidhi is a star player. What's going on with them?
Sir, Riya's grades have been going down and Nidhi's behavior is quite disturbing.
Oh, what's going on with both of them?
Sir, Riya is not doing well in her studies. And Nidhi? Nidhi's always been a bright and cheerful student. But lately, she has been looking pale and tired. She often complains of stomach pain and falls asleep in class.
This is serious. What do you think is causing all this?
Honestly, sir, I think it's the parents' carelessness. I have spoken to them multiple times about Riya's grades and Nidhi's health issues. But they just don't seem to care.
That's unexpected. We need to talk to them again. Call them for a meeting.
Shall I call them tomorrow, sir?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir.
And Nidhi's class teacher calls their parents and informs them about the meeting. So, let's see what kind of atmosphere is going in the house.
Neha? Neha! Hey! I just got a call from Riya's teacher. She wants us to meet with the principal tomorrow.
Oh no, Varun! What's going on? My movie plan with friends is tomorrow and I'll have to cancel it.
Don't worry, Neha. I'll take half a day off and we can go together, okay?
She Baba, always something. Why does the teacher have to trouble us so often?
Let it be, dear. We will go and see what's going on.
Now, you have seen how both Neha and Ravi, Riya's parents, have decided to meet the principal sir. In the same way, Nidhi's parents are also ready to meet the principal sir. So, let's see the meeting of principal sir, both parents and teacher.
Parents, please have a seat. I will inform to sir. I come in, sir? Nidhi and Riya, both parents have come out. Shall I call them?
Ask Nidhi's parents to sit and call Riya's parents in.
Mr. and Mrs. Sharma, please come.
Good afternoon, Mr. and Mrs. Sharma. Thank you for coming. Please have a seat.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, Mr. and Mrs. Sharma, I wanted to discuss Riya's performance in school.
She's doing fine. Sir, she does her homework every day.
Yes, she does.
That's great to hear. As I know, Riya is the topper from Miss Roshni's class. Miss Roshni, can you please bring Riya's notebooks?
Here are Riya's notebooks, sir.
Let's see. Term 1 notebooks look good.
Yes, sir. She's good girl. She did well in first term.
But term 2 notebooks? Incomplete homework, spelling mistakes, and low marks in class test.
She always uses my mobile for studying, sir.
Are you sure? She is using mobile for study. Mr. Sharma. Or she is playing games.
I suppose I am not always sure, sir.
Mr. Sharma, Riya doesn't need your mobile. She needs your attention. Please help her with her studies and take an interest in her daily activities. Ask her about her day, what she learned in school, and what challenges she is facing. Your involvement will make a big difference in her academic performance. I think you are getting my point. Yes, Mr. and Mrs. Sharma?
Sure, sir. We'll take care of it. We'll make sure Riya gets back on the track.
Thank you, Mrs. Sharma. I appreciate your commitment to Riya's education.
Yes, we will do our best.
I am confident that with your support, Riya will excel again. Thank you both for coming in today.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. and Mrs. Chaudhary, please come.
Good afternoon, Mr. and Mrs. Chaudhary. Thank you for coming today.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
What happened, sir? Is everything okay?
Well, Mr. Chaudhary, day by day, Nidhi's health is getting worse and she is suffering from stomachache and she has been losing her interest in extracurricular activities. She used to be a great player, but now she doesn't seem to enjoy it anymore.
Oh no, what's happening to her?
I think it's partly because of her diet. Miss Roshni noticed that she often brings fast food in her tiffin, which isn't healthy for her. Why? Am I right, Miss Roshni?
Yes, sir. As per my observation, most of the time she brings fast food, packet food in the tiffin. And sir, it's not good for health.
Yes. Sir, we have been busy with our work and it's just easier to grab something quick.
I understand that you both are working parents, but Nidhi's health and education are crucial. I strongly advise you to give her healthy lunch and snacks.
Oh no, what's happening to her?
And we will also spend more time with her. Make sure she is doing her homework and get enough rest.
That's great to hear, Mr. and Mrs. Chaudhary. I am confident that with your support, Nidhi will get back on the track.
There is any improvement in Riya and Nidhi's parents after principal sir meeting? So let's see.
Wow, what an outstanding and eye-opening performance. Give a thunderous applause for this talented drama team.
What happened with you? Why aren't you studying?
Yes, Papa. I study every day.
No, Varun.
See your mobile's history. She watches video games and reels every day.
Ria?
Sorry, Papa. I promise you it will not happen again. I'll do study from today.
Ria, just go in your room. Yes, Varun. What you are saying is true. We should really pay attention to her. We must use less mobile. Now let's come and spend time with her. Ria, what are you doing, beta?
Mama, I am solving some problems of math.
Can I help you?
Now let's see, is there any improvement in Nidhi's parents after Principal Sir's meeting?
What happened today is all because of you. It is your responsibility to cook food. You are always giving her fast food in tiffin.
My responsibility? What responsibility? Is it only mine? I also earn money like you.
Prachi!
Ravi?
Prachi, I am extremely sorry. But it's very serious. Nothing is important than Nidhi's health.
But what to do, Ravi? Ravi, should I work part-time? Will it be okay? I will work only half day from tomorrow. We should give time for our child because our time is her right. Then let me cook some healthy for her. Mom, Dad, you both are at home? Yay! Ravi, Nidhi, both of you get fresh. I have made delicious parathas for you today. Mama, you are the world's best mom.
Have you seen, parents, how your time is precious for your children's overall development? So please spend time with them because parents' time?
Children's time.
Wow, what an outstanding and eye-opening performance. Give a thunderous applause for this talented drama team.